Are your emails, well, boring? No surprises then that your engagements are low and you're having problems to increase your open rates. Now, boring emails look sloppy and lazy and will be beaten hands down by a competitor who took the trouble to create a beautiful and elegant design and present himself as a professional. So if you want to increase your engagement and make more money from your email marketing, step up your design game and create a compelling look in the email that you send out so that you stand out from all the riffraff, and get the lead to view your email and click that link. Getting a template designed for your emails is costly. A professional designer will easily charge you anything between $50 to $120 per template, but you don't need to pay that much. All you need to do is grab the beautiful templates that we have on this page for you. These templates integrate right inside EmailJeet, and you will be able to select the one you want using a simple drop-down. Handy for sure, but the most important thing that they will do for you is make your emails stand out from the pile of, well, boring emails, increase your viewer engagement, and get you a better open rate per mail out. Don't miss this extremely simple but effective trick that will get you more money from email marketing. Click on the button below and grab all the beautiful EmailJeet templates right now.